Hey guys, Outwit Me here. In a previous video, I showed you the tiny survival card and the survival cards that I got from Amazon and stuff that were $10. They look like this. I still haven't taken any of these pieces off of this one just because I like keeping it as a card and I keep it with my kits as just a kind of like a I wouldn't say a mock thing, but kind of just like to have with me. I mean, it's kind of cool to show off when I showing people, but you can see that I haven't taken off any of the tools on this one right here. However, from the one that I bought from Amazon, um, you can definitely tell that I have taken off quite a few of the pieces from these ones, and I'm going to show you why in a future video. But I had mentioned in that video that I was going to buy another one. Since I wasn't able to show you guys what it looked like when I first got it, I decided that I wanted to pick up another one of the kits just because I think the kits are so cool. These cards are pretty awesome. These are the sprues that they come on. They're all butchered. I cut everything off of them. And I was able to stick all the small pieces inside of one of these little tins, and those tins are in kits right now, which I will show you in a future video. But I just wanted to show you what these look like right when they come in right out of the package. So right when you order it off of Amazon, and it's $10 for these cards, and I'm going to show you the cards in a second. You get this nice little felt packet. Here's the one from the previous video. Really, really cool. It's pretty sturdy. It comes from a pretty cool material too. This is like a really strong wool, I would say. But right when you get it, I'll take it out there, and it comes with a little emergency survival card. This thing is a really cool. Probably actually use that as a toothpick or something like that. This is a card that you can get. It's pretty nice. It has some stuff on the back. Yeah, that kind of stuff. I'll let you guys look at that if you guys want to send them some love based on this video. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but yeah, there's this. But here is how the cards come, and there's 4 cards. I went ahead and bought the black version of this one just because I thought it was cool looking in the pictures. And what's even more funny about this, okay, so I have all these came straight out of that package that I got from Amazon, but I had also ordered one from Wish, and I had totally forgotten that I ordered a single card from Wish, and I actually just got that today. And what is so funny about it is the exact same card from this kit. And so this was only like, I honestly want to say it was like $1. It came to like $2 maybe, $3 shipping or whatever. I can't remember, but I remember I picked this up. Oh, it was $1.29 or something. But I ended up picking up this off of Wish, and it is the exact same card as this one that I got on Amazon. The Amazon is a better deal though, because this is $10 for these 4 sheets, plus it's free shipping. And if you were to order the individual ones from Wish, you would definitely have a greater cost and a lot longer of a time to wait. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and they come on a pretty decent. This is pretty decent metal, and yeah, this is what we get here. This is the black one, and since they don't come with a magnet, just like the card does. The card has 2 magnetic sheets that sits on it, and or it sits on. They I went to Walmart and I bought these sheets, these magnetic sheets, and they come as they're meant to be ripped into strips. So here's a full one, but you can see the grid lines here, and you can rip these into individual strips like these. Which is pretty cool because they have an adhesive side. You can put them on your Altoid tins. You can put them inside of the kits that you're building, your everyday carry kits. And but you can take all of the stuff off. You can cut it down to the exact size that you want. This one's a little bit bigger for this guy, but it's magnetic and it fits perfect. Check that out. So you can make your own tiny survival cards, and for the half the cost. At least this is like $20. And so, but yeah, so you can make your own cards. You can even cut all these little individual pieces off and fit them like a puzzle on just one, and then slap another piece on there, like if you wanted a fishing kit, or, you know, or your trapping kits. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what these cards look like, each individual. And this is the black version. It's not the silver version. So granted, it's not the same one as I had last time. But you can see from all of these pieces here. Actually, let me take these out of the containers, or their little packages here. I got this card actually like probably a week and a half ago. This one has your saw blades, has that long saw. That's a cool little spearhead, you know, or even an arrowhead, you know, if you want to try to jig up an arrow there. But don't miss. You might miss, you lose your arrow, you know. This one has, that's more of a spear tip. Actually, that can be another arrow tip, you know. But your knife, you know, more saw utility there. This one, I actually really like little forks. So this is on the other kit. I full on took the metal sprue. I took everything out of this one. But you know, your fishing lines, your fork. I believe, are those tweezers? These ones might be tweezers. I'm not sure. Oh wait, no, the tweezers are on the next tool. Or are they? Let's see. Which one has the tweezer? Anyway, but yeah, you can see here it has a little fork. It has this one's like another little spearhead. That one has a tie. So, you know, you can easily tie it to a stick. Hopefully you guys can see this on the black background. There's that one. These little doohads right here, you know, are useful for making traps. And in one video, I might actually show you guys how to do that. It'd be a fun time for me to learn all the mechanics of how traps work. And then here's the next one. And so, yeah, this is everything that comes for $10 on that Amazon pack. And really, it's super awesome. With this card right here, this card was actually the one that held this. You know, it was the perfect size for this card right here. And but yeah, it is a really, really cool thing to have. You know, and I mean, it's not gonna save your life. You know, I mean, if you're a master bushcraft kind of person, you know, or camping and all that stuff like that, you actually might be able to find some utility to use for these things. You know, but they're just in case of emergency. They're just you can cut all of these things off of these tools, and are these sprues, put them in your kits. They don't take up very much space at all. Their weight is very, very light, you know, and there's nothing wrong with keeping something like this in your kits. You know, if it came down to it, like a survival situation, they're not going to last you forever, you know, unless these, like, you know, spearheads so that can catch you unlimited fish and, you know, keep you fed forever, and so that, you know, like, you got to be realistic. You know, they're just things that are going to keep you they're going to keep you, you know, it's more of a state of mind, you know, having these things. Oh, there's the tweezers right there. But they're made, you know, just for nostalgia. They're cool, you know. Put them in your kits, keep them around. You might actually use the trapping things. You might get a few uses out of the fishing hooks. You know, the fork would probably be a pretty cool utensil to have because it's so lightweight and it's so tiny. You know, the knife, you know, you have this little knife right here. It's not sharp anywhere, you know, like, it's not going to cut you or anything like that, but it's got a point. You know, I mean, if you get in a tuffle with, you know, a bear or a killer savage wolf or something, you know, or, you know, predators coming after you, you know, like, it's not going to be your first line of defense, you know, but you might get a good puncture to a jugular or something like that. You might die, you know, but later on it might bleed to death or something. I don't know. But this is a cool little thing right here. This can be used for trapping, you know, fish, even turtles. You know, I've seen a video where a guy configures something similar to this to capture a turtle. You know, this is a nice sturdy little fork. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what these cards look like right when I got them out of the package. I was a little too excited last time, and I took them all off their sprues and put them, you know, adhered them to those metal strips and all that stuff, you know. But I might leave these ones just on these sprues, you know, and then throw them into a backpack or something like that, you know. Or I might just make some cards that'll fit these perfectly, you know, and throw them all together, you know, in a little thing. But yeah, I'm gonna keep them on the sprues just because I like the way they look, you know. And but yeah, this is is exactly what you get out of the Amazon package, you know. And if you order one from Wish, you literally get, you can choose which cards you want too. I believe most of these are on the Wish website. They actually have, they do have 2 or 3 cards on there that I've never seen before, and they might be like just bootleg ones, but they're tinier ones. They have one that's for a keychain. That's pretty cool. I might get it, you know, but it was the same price as getting this. So, and I wanted to see if this was the same size and all that stuff like that. But all in all, though, every single tiny tool that you see, including these 2 saws, you know, basically everything smaller than the bigger pieces, can be put inside of this, you know, and which is really cool. You can carry this thing anywhere, you know, you can put it in any kit, you know, heck, you could you could attach this to a keychain if you wanted to instead, and it would just have a million fishing hooks. It would have little saws and little spearheads and little toothpicks, you know. These little saws right here, like, you can't, spearheads, yeah, you can't go wrong with, you know, just having a little thing like that. And it's for peace of mind. I mean, it's nostalgia, it's just for fun, you know. But having this in your kit takes up no space, takes up no weight. Have fun with it, you know. This is Outwit Me. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. You know, I'm my page is slowly growing. I'm hoping it gets to the point where I'm making, you know, 300 figures a year, you know, because if that's the case, you know, I will take everybody that subscribed to me out to lunch or something like that. But yeah, this is Outwit Me. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great night.